Hi, I'm Trudy Rankin from West Island Digital, and welcome to our Online Business Liftoff YouTube channel. My team and I help people start their own online business or get an existing business online. You might have a bricks and mortar store and you just like to increase your online presence. Our Online Business Liftoff program helps people find and validate great business ideas and get their website set up. And our Online Business Launchpad membership provides support to anyone trying to get their business going or growing. So we publish new videos every Thursday, and we continuously build playlists on themes and topics that people tell us that they want to know more about. For example, we explain which tools to use to get the outcome that you need. Our how-to videos walk you through step-by-step how to use those online tools to do specific tasks. We provide tips, techniques, and information about stuff that matters to online business owners like yourself. We talk to online experts about how they've achieved success, and we share relevant knowledge and information from our key partners who have complementary skill sets. So if you're trying to get your business online or get your online business going or growing, our Online Business Launchpad YouTube channel videos will help guide you so that you can avoid wasting your time, money, and energy on stuff that's just not going to help you get ahead. Now, we'd love you to click the subscribe button to make sure you're notified when new videos are available. And be sure to share our Online Business Liftoff YouTube channel with anyone you think would also find our videos useful. So thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the channel. Take care.